New undergraduate business major. Students excel in global business competitions, and Barbie movie buzz and brand value. Welcome to the March 2024 edition of the Big 3 Video Newsletter. For many years, we have been asked if UC Davis offers a business major in the undergraduate program. Now we can finally say yes. We are proud to announce a groundbreaking undergraduate business major to start in the fall of 2025. Decades in the making, the major is a first-of-its-kind partnership at UC Davis between the Graduate School of Management, College of Letters and Science, and College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences. Led by the Graduate School of Management, the business major will be anchored in math, statistics, and economics while building competencies in fundamental areas of business. The major also will be a pathway for future Aggies to pursue advanced degrees at UC Davis, including a Master of Management, Master of Professional Accountancy, or Master of Science in Business Analytics. We are thrilled with the remarkable success of UC Davis students in recent international business competitions. The Global Investment Banking competition is the world's largest of its kind for university students. This year's case focused on analyzing the market positioning and strategic initiatives of beverage company Diageo. Our MBA student team of Min Zhu, Min Nguyen, and Nam Nguyen joined the top 15% or 72 of 500 plus teams that advanced to the final round in Vancouver in mid-March. Earlier this month, a team of full-time MBA students was among the top 20 at the Net Impact Case competition hosted by the University of Colorado's Lead School of Business. The MBA competition focused on solving real-world sustainability business cases. Fortune 500 company Aero Electronics sponsored the competition. Teams were tasked to formulate a strategy for Aero Electronics' biodiversity initiatives in conjunction with its environmental, social, and governance (ESG) goals. Our students' participation underscores UC Davis's commitment to sustainability and responsible business practices. Meanwhile, a trio of Master of Science in Business Analytics students distinguished themselves among the top 20 semifinalists in the annual Adobe Analytics Challenge. This prestigious competition attracted over 2,000 teams from around the world, providing students with a platform to showcase their skills in digital marketing and analytics. Did you catch the rendition of the I'm Just Ken during the Academy Awards? The performance capped the amazing success of the Barbie movie. The film shattered box office records, grossing $1.5 billion worldwide, earned critical acclaim, and an Oscar nomination for Best Picture. As the iconic doll celebrated its 65th anniversary, Barbie mania swept the globe, captivating audiences of all ages. Here at UC Davis, MBA alumna and lecturer Vanessa Errecarte seized upon the success of the Barbie movie as an opportunity to develop a teaching case study. On the eve of the Oscars, the Financial Times published her article titled Barbie Buzz and Brand Value. Is it real? She examines the implications for intellectual property rebranding and the role of the digital ecosystem in adding brand value. Vanessa's insights have sparked discussions among students and industry professionals alike, prompting a re-evaluation of traditional brand valuation models and emphasizing the importance of connecting digital metrics with financial performance. Thank you for watching this month's Big 3.